Roshan, Yami Gautam, and of course, Udaan Band. Give it up for them.
Sir. Amazing. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Unbelievable. Thank you. All of you, men in black.
You were so amazing. I want to dance.
Thank you. We can take once more. You can dance again.
I would love to.
Now you just said it, so banta hai thoda sa to, I think. Yami? है ना? You guys want to see them shake their leg? Hrithik and Yami? You got to make some noise, guys. You got to tell them that you want to see them shake a leg with Udaan the band. So Hrithik, एक step तो बनता है हम सब के लिए. Udaan, hit it!
Rhythm, sir. Rhythm, sir.
One more time, come on, let's do this.
Mon amour.
Come on, hands up in the air.
Mon amour. छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई Mon amour. छोड़ दो खुद को ऐसे मेरी बाहों में जैसे हवाओं में बादल कोई कदम से कदम जो मिले तो दिल से दिल तुम चले साथ हम तुम जहाँ वहीं पे बने फासले तो दिल बोले सारी धरारी रारी ये दीवानगी का है शोर Mon amour.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That was
Thank you so much.
wonderful. Hrithik, a few words on this dhamakedar performance, Udaan ki.
Wow, this, I feel so many things right now. I'm sure we all are a little surprised, a little shocked, very happy to see something like this. But to be honest, I'm not. I'm not because I think we've seen so much in the past, in the whole journey of Kabul, that eyes are already open. And we have realized that the rest of the world is actually quite blind to the world of the blind, which actually is as able and as capable as ours, if not more. If not more. Yeah. So I find this really cool, you know. I want to call Udaan the new Men in Black who are going to be inspiring the entire world. That's incredible. I'm just so happy and honored that they have chosen a platform like this to display their talent. So very honored, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Yami, you want to say a few words?
Thank you. I think you've just, I totally second your thoughts. You've just stolen my words and you have stolen our hearts, Udaan. I think, I don't have words. I think you're just so amazing. We just wanted to actually sit there and we were almost dancing and cheering and hooting for you. Didn't know what to do. And Hrithik's right. You're looking so hot, mon amour. So all of you. Thank you so much. And I think nothing could have been a better start to this event, to this launch. Better than Udaan. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And you know what? We want you to meet a special duo, Keval and Deepak, the founders of Udaan. So can we have Keval and Deepak on stage? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for them, please. They are the founders of this amazing band.
Okay, hi guys. That's a one step over there. Come. How are you? You're Keval, so that must be Deepak. I'll just say hello to Deepak as well. Hi, Deepak. It's me, Ritik. Hi. Very happy to have you here. Very honored. Thank you for creating something like this. Thank you for showing us how much more capable and able we all are as human beings. I think it is a blessing. Whatever you have journeyed in your life is a blessing, and now what you're doing for us is a blessing to us. So thank you so much. I'll give you the mic if you want to say a few words.
I just want to say thank you so much to Ritik sir, Rakesh sir, Yami ma'am, and the entire troupe for giving us this wonderful opportunity. And I wish on the behalf of my entire troupe all the very best to the entire Kabil team. Thank you.
Whoa.
Deepak, would you like to say a few words?
थैंक यू सर. इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो मौका मिला है, हम लोग कई सारी चीज़ें करते हैं, बहुत सारी कठिनाइयाँ आती है, लेकिन जब ऐसा मौका मिलता है तो इस गीत में जो लाइन है, आज खुशियों से याराना कर ले, तो ये याराना करने का सच में मौका है और सारी चीज़ें भुलाकर खुशियाँ मनाने का मौका है. और मेरी तरफ से भी बहुत बहुत बधाई इस फिल्म के लिए, और ये फिल्म सुपरहिट जाएगी, इसमें कोई शंका नहीं है, कोई डाउट नहीं है. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Keval. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Ritik. Yami.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now it's time to showcase the song, ladies and gentlemen. We'll play the video for you, more and more. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Jitna humne ye performance ko enjoy kiya. Udan, thank you so much. You guys are rock stars.
Thank you. One more time, guys. Thank you. Amazing.
Yeah. Zordar taliyan with Mr. Bhushan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen. Rohit bhai is here, जिन्होंने फिल्म में कुछ बहुत गलत किया सर आपने. Not done. ठीक है, give it up for Rohit Roy, ladies and gentlemen. So one more time, thank you so much, आप सबको, for this amazing song, for this amazing movie. And राकेश जी आपसे शुरू करना चाहूँगा. And this सवाल is for both of you. ऋतिक एंड राकेश जी, ये देखने के बाद इसमें रोमांस हमने देखा, इसमें एक्शन हमने देखा है. वी ऑल गॉट रियली इमोशनल. आप लोग के कितने इमोशंस गए और ये फिल्म जब कंप्लीट हुई थी, सो व्हाट वाज द माइंडसेट, बोथ ऑफ यू?
कुछ नहीं, मैं जब मेरे अभी तक बाल सफ़ेद हुए हैं कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे भी दिखाई नहीं देते. लेकिन जब मैं 16 साल का था, जब मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन किया था, आज नेक्स्ट ईयर मुझे 50 ईयर्स हो जाएंगे, तो मेरी माँ ने मुझे कहा था कि बेटा सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलना हमेशा, और किसी को पीठ नहीं दिखाना. और सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलने के लिए आपको इमोशंस की ज़रूरत होती है, और जब तक आप में इमोशंस ना हो, आप ज़िंदगी की कोई भी चीज़ तय नहीं कर पाते. तो मेरी हर पिक्चर में आप देखेंगे कि हम इमोशनल कनेक्ट के साथ पिक्चर बनाते हैं. जब संजय गुप्ता ने मुझे ये कहानी सुनाई, सिर्फ 3 लाइन पे ही मैं समझ गया कि इसमें कितनी इमोशंस हैं, इसमें इनहेरेंट इमोशन है. और फिर हमने ये चैलेंज को कबूल किया और इस पिक्चर को बनाई. और मैं अपने हर टीम मेंबर्स को, जो मेरे साथ यहाँ बैठे हैं, जो बैक स्टेज हैं, जो मेरे ऑफिस में हैं, जो यहाँ नहीं आ सके हैं, ये उनके सपोर्ट के साथ ही मैं पिक्चर बना सका हूँ. And I give full credit to them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Ritik, your views on the same?
I forgot the question only. I got lost
how
in the
emotional
words.
Yeah. कितना इमोशनल थी ये जर्नी आपके लिए पूरी? कितना इमोशनल? Yeah.
एक एक्टर के तौर पे I feel an actor's job is about emotions. This film was an emotional journey because the script demanded that, and but leaving the script aside, leaving the film aside, it has actually truly been an emotional journey, not because of the film, not because of the script. For me, it has been an emotional journey because of the people that I connected with. And I really believe that this film had a destiny, क्योंकि इस picture में, इस set पर, the people that came in to the set, whether it was Yami or Sanjay or Rohit or Ronit, we all connected on such a unsaid emotional level that it was just beautiful. And it is very, very rare. And I do believe it comes all from the script, because everyone reads the script and knows that they are doing something very special. But to get people to recognize that, understand it, and then connect on such a beautiful way, I think all of us on set, we were like a family that had forgotten what the outside world is. तो वो बहुत कम होता है, and I think in my life I have got very few rare special opportunities like that, and Kabul definitely is one of them. So I am very sad that that journey is coming to an end. It's not yet over because we are all together, but because I said the emotional journey is because of the people.
Right.
The people are still here, and the people will walk with each other for a long, long time, even after the film is done. So
this will surely go down in history as a blockbuster, because trailer तो blockbuster हो गया. लोग फिल्मों की बात करते हैं, ट्रेलर को इतना प्यार इसका मिल गया है.